Good morning, students. How are you? I hope everyone fit and fine. I am also. Student, as you know, we have already started chapter number 1, history, introducing history. And in the history, many topics we have completed. First, introduction of history, meaning, definition, common division of history, prehistory, proto-history and history, sources of history, archaeological sources and literary sources. And in this video, student, today we start most important topic, and it is the additional topic, ASI. ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. So let's start, student. ASI. Students, ASI. ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. You know, student, archaeology. Archaeology, as you know, archaeology is the most important source of information. As Archaeological Survey of India, we can say Archaeological Survey of India is the premier organization for archaeological research in India and for protection of cultural heritage of the nation. Cultural heritage and archaeological sites. So, student, we can say archaeological survey is the most important for cultural sites and cultural archaeological sites and cultural heritage of the nation. And the archaeological survey was founded by 1861 by Sir Alexander Cunningham. So here one mark question arise. Who founded Archaeological Survey of India? Sir Alexander Cunningham in 1861. Now, Archaeological Survey of India. So, what is now here many questions arise. What is Archaeological Survey of India (ASI) and what are the main works, functions, role of Archaeological Survey of India? So, after it, student, we can say that Archaeological Survey of India was founded in 1861 under British colonial administration by Sir Alexander Cunningham. The Archaeological Survey of India under the Ministry of Culture is the premier organization of archaeological research and the protection of cultural heritage of the nation. It maintains ancient monuments and archaeological sites and remain of national importance of the premier concern of the ASI. What are the major works? Now, the major works of ASI. Here, one marks question again. Student arise. Major works of write 2 or 3 major works of ASI. The major works of ASI: Jantar Mantar, Humayun Tomb, Mahabalipuram, Ajanta and Ellora, बीबी का मकबरा, छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस, formerly Victoria Terminus. So this is the main works of Archaeological Survey of India. After, student, we can say this organization look after the maintenance of ancient monuments and archaeological sites remains in India. The organization has a large workforce of trained archaeologists, conservators. Archaeologist means a person. Here the question arises: what is archaeology? Archaeology means a science of exploring and excavating old remains, and the archaeologist, scholar, a person or a scholar researcher who excavate old remain things, archaeological sites. And here the another word is conservator. Conservator means conserve, a person who conserve all things. So conservation, preservation, the main work. Now after it, scientist for conducting archaeological research project throughout the year. After it, we can say what now question arises: what are the main functions of ASI? The student, the most important, or we can say the main function of ASI is preservation. Now here we can say the generalize there are 4 to 5 main functions of ASI. The most important function is preservation, after it conservation, environmental development, exploration and excavation of ancient sites, centrally projected monuments and sites including World Heritage Monument, specialized study of inscriptions and various phases of Indian architecture. So these are the most important functions of ASI. Now repeat again. The main function of ASI is preservation, conservation, environmental degradation. And what is the environmental degradation means? Degrade environment or we can say detritation or depletion of natural resources. We can say depletion of natural resources. Exploration and excavation of ancient sites, new studies, new researches, new archaeological excavations, also old remains studies. After it, centrally projected monuments and sites including world heritage, protection and conservation of that type of sites, and specialized study of inscriptions and various phases of Indian architecture. I hope this is easy to understand archaeological survey of India. I think it's enough for this video. Continue in the next. So thank you and have a nice day. Just revise archaeological survey of India. Thank you.